can who's journals
and
what
you talk about it.
Your more cats my
Busuya me na wo kasa die asema esi enya asem ketua nyina ne se kopie mu e wo TikTok NDC ga oni bi a yefre no aba ejuma oboma NDC during 2024 general elections na o social media ne busuya ese woni ensa wo ka china me na wo kasa die o se NDC party no we jai o se we jai NDC party no na den ti na we jai a o se okwa Aseidu Nketiah ho ene Aseidu Nketiah kasa ese bosu ye ba ye mi nya hwe ekomo de me bre wi amete krampo me dan time aso ye pam me Aseidu Nketiah say onko ne MP ho okọ ne MP won so a ne MP so amfi no ntimi na okasa di o say wo jai NDC a okọ MPP din e di aba na yensam no ebusuya enye nsem ketua ha ye Ghana nsem TV di amje so e promise yembo nwuram ne entie nsem a yenwa aba area to join the TikTok platform so a enam so mo MPP form ne bi kra aba so a obusuya omo twetwe na ya were wo sem a eya video ne wa 13 minutes video misrawo tie na gayi ha okomun kabi fama no aba
can who's journals
and what you talk about it.
Your more cats my
end the life from who say be sha sha fro ye ka o nyindi o ye wo so be end the life we MPP ni kura still we Ghana
it hasn't got into that level but I feel when say about politics at the end of the day no ideology. You understand? The who conform as switch here or more credibility, no, it's somewhat in question, kakra. So I would advise all the homisho kakra for the sake of your political career, at least was starting be consistent. But generally, no, a foot on a medema in conform more TikTok show. Say on this platform, who sell a party out, who wasting with data, with time, anyway, nim, I bet you. On social media, the security implications of that alone.
No.
The security implications of that thing alone is a different ballgame altogether. Talk to Tom. Can you meet yourself?
Oh, my mom was saying, I'm like page in why. I'm was saying, I'm like it. Was saying, I like it. Why? One type of
some people are also building their connections. And to know, your party, Juma, be strategic. You have to be strategic when it comes to how you devote yourself to party affairs. And the abasina ubri eni a ukuntoka social media so na obi de on social media so or no tunable building connections with the members of parliament, building connections with potential ministers, building connections with party executives, even at the top. Yenya switch aban pe na nipa na enya ni wedidim. Party for we don't recognize people who suffer and put their blood on the line for us. We don't. And now you have been used.
Dr. DNA.
You have been used. They use you. You have been used.
Me WhatsApp won. Nkofo messages so mo send message be brain no mo page. Me am say me hu anu wie. Wo de kwose nkofo say quest send message so mo page one. O mo fi upo. Oh,
I've met with them at some levels, and for me, what I get from what they tell me is that they can't do everything. They say they can't do all. They say they can't do everything. They can do some, but they can't do all. That's the truth. So it is not left for you, the social media commentators and other people that will Mr. Pachome, but this advice, any NDC from this advice cuts across NDC and NPP. That is why I even came up. We put the Nyame territory. But this advice, and there Abasam Nabana Munya Namoka wasam.
Dr. Dina, let Abba be. You get it? Just let her be. She making a decision say or call. Men force no, don't force her to still be in the party. What you saying?
Misraupa.
Na mo wouldn't say yes, I mean, Mebusia Frank, and Caribbean, by ABS and Caribbean, may I since.
But yeah, honestly, I am very, very surprised about your case. So, I didn't think of. I thought you had been secured the cry. In fact, for you, Yaira, I even thought say you were even at the presidency. Whether either you're a staffer, by now.
That is why we are here.
Hey, don't tell me. No, you know. Okay, so in my case, I'm actually doing something else. Me, my case, no, I'm actually occupied with something. Oh, so even there's no time for any other thing. But you know, they choose the back door, Rebecca. So, but me must say, and call for na. Muno ye campaign na mo mujije me numbers ni ade no. Omo ha me with messages and all that. Omo fe frame me.
So mo ya dey wo power na.
What say?
Omo so mo power na.
So nana ye cast man na wo the person.
There be so mo how. I didn't know mo how.
Me pa cho mo ka sere.
Aba what decide we. We are under 18.
Me did you say me say with the obo. Ebi ansem ni bi wana meka no wani nje ho but wangasa no wakoma wa NDC. Mo so da so she ye papa.
Ansem akoma wa NDC.
O da so she ye she. Who does centralization of governance? Onim say on petua no so na wo say mo bi fi mo ba.
No, he is.
No.
We belong to somewhere.
Why you campaign the whole NDC?
Nana jo meba. Okay, the Nketiah Abba ever saw life. Yeah, the man never saw life because he came to us. She explained her things. Explain how you guys betrayed and you guys disappointed as a political party. In fact, she jumped, okay, from the rank of the party all the way to the leadership. That is Aseidu Nketiah. Thinking said, when she got to him, a problem is going to be solved. Not unfortunate. Nothing has been done. That is why she ran to NPP. And when she came, in fact, we questioned her up there, we are still criticizing her. We can't track her. We saw how some of my colleagues even harassed her. We couldn't dismiss her. And after that, she's still harassing her because she can't just believe her.
No need pa. What's it there? But who the man?
Okay, what are we never finalize my
Send Dr. Dini Kanu. I won't say Abam. Yenina we belong somewhere. It's no be any baby our pay. Yenya town for. But sometimes when they do politics, say no say baby ye genius is here and you critical moments. Entiana ye suspect say be yen man for my befra fire the no say mu ehenya mu say ye niam bi mai. Anything na pana me didi wachi san. But all the same no. Bibia ni anya abotre chama ne kana no waka no. Opa de say wo MP no ho a DC no ho a omo na ye dem mo nyina kwhye omo nsem se wo so omo boa wo. Nya abotre so do ma anya o de bra be jo why.
Madam, me patcho me take him decision.
Nsa man for krasa.
Apem me nko be bia me na me de me ho koye. Mbabo me anka nye nde.
Say bia mo nti afi no mati. Afi no mo say serious.
Me say omo boa. Wo de ma me
Franchi am na what. Say ni kete o ka say de Jimmy for na petu mi ne nyansa fo akodi na yampa na.
Oh, I know crowd Koroma Kabi, I know she didn't get young. Could you upon Kroma Kabi, into an only Jaika?
Me say, Abba, Mama ship card. Be organized our area, minimum Jamaica.
There's a
Opa country to us to Abba.
There's a wood and
country to us to Dubai.
Abba, it is almost yes, almost or to coming weeks now. Almost or 2 out coming weeks now. We'll be okay. So we'll be party one.
Obi a comedy be or the any brain echo. Say, see, I know what in the Nimin and who are dinning and who for many now, but DNDC achi. They say enemies or one on your enemies, Ketua. Obu how only but for your NDC 20 who you'll be a and you say, never about out and I never And you say na say be was almost sorting it out. This what TMO screaming by on the life and some matter to say. I was see Yankasa as politicians, no yen she decentralizing your maybe send a bear. Obi a beton wo kronum. So what? Enti ene de e foto de maye nyina. Omo amutie no muntie, omo mo MPP nim so omo so ntie NDC for no KKK for no na obi ntie. It's something we have to work on it. Not the be a Betrayal party base war party mu ansa na way. By this time obi ho a wa nyehio wa me so life anyehie so ya famud na koka say blue water we say omo a prison yard for say dem for o dey omo no ai. Won. Enti yesrem about the ode na koda dwen ho won. Nyabotre waka ne yate.
Messi,
prove me with your work. Well, you ain't some password that was
to go away. Me didn't come for Reta life so. And then 3 days.
Martin.
Obi only my beautiful me say me nkwa MPP page so. Me nkwa MPP page so. Na obi an me say say dey me nya bi da. Me decision na mafa. Muhom wa ha me sra mo ha da woroma. Me nya mu NDC no. Me nka hu bio.
No, Mesat, unze enkofo bi wo ha sa aban ba power enye omo tena bia kra ni blue water se nipa ne wo ho qualification a se bia nipa ne wo certificate a betimi de na akohaya enye blue water na ye na adwuma o ye blue water na ye na adwuma and aba I'm passionate talking about Aba's issue because me who confrontations and many aba benya wo TikTok na ene party na ba power na nipa bi tsa aba ye ndwuma kra ye man bi nye just a blue water krampo ya fa na nka ho
me money dey but we no say fact or ye campaign my NDC to the extent say in fact we call the godmother or Nketiah or call the fear task e pa get my get na e ka nyeka ketwa. That said, the godmother Nketiah again, no. Who is called the man? 400 cities up to date. If I want free, that is a very standard. Even more 100 years ago, I didn't see that. You know, get it pride. Get it pride, you know. Imagine say, who put the faculty of 400 the man. Up to again, I regret it for even supporting NDC. And NDC for Samuna, it goes to you. That's that kind of case, you know. But telling the friend, I'm wow.
Hey, no need. I told lies so. I told me and I told lies about power. No need. This year, yeah, and
we are talking from experience. We are talking from experience. So how we are they are party MPP mono. And we are talking from experience.
Me no near question. You know what? That you know. I come in here and on my dream reset. She's not the only person I've seen a couple of them. But at the end of the day, Omoka, I didn't cry no back at you. How are you going to help them? It's not me say me mama enjoy no because you know old you know. Who forcing so on time when this mo cry one show best nature.
Obeka ya Aseidu Nketiah e kan say ye dem kwasiafo na petumi ne de nyansafo no ebu oman no. Enu nti say Aseidu Nketiah ka asem we no na wudi NDC echi no. Na unim say unim obi a party nem no. Na e wo say hye otirim say daachi bia no. Sa asem na okan ye no ye de obeye example. Na wo hwe nnuaba abayi a nnuaba abayi eye mfantini abayiwa obo adwuma gidigidi e the National Democratic Congress a even the tia friend so the NDC from 2023-2024 during the election period no obo adwuma yie e ma kire say me no kasa yekura no on san nye guest TikToker o san so e organizer e wo any polling station abusuya obo adwuma okita NDC party card a kire say ono no onye just a year members here san class from na mo bi debi oyobi a ono no wabo adwuma ma party na party no impanyefo nim no cause obi a obetimi akwakodru Aseidu Nketiah o netre say onim impanyefo o party ne mo nanso ende o say Aseidu Nketiah say onko ne MP o minim say bi Aseidu Nketiah say mo kan ne bi onka ne bono so ba ne MP ne so MP ne so entimi ambo na mabusuya o say de da yakoso ya ni pitiri ya say bema be ye bi on be ni nyina Obaye san ko ba be ye bi dia bo NDC na wabo NDC ma NDC abekire o man na so won se NDC party na kasampo omo ndwena mo party for no na kantum se o ma dwene timamufo ene nipa a mo te o man ni mu enu nti no me no ka say die send the Rosemond Obin switch from MPP ko NDC no ono nso no switch from NDC e dey about the new patriotic party a Nketiah friend said the NPP o kire mo say there is nothing and na NDC ni be ka kire na e be the san adwin any the decision that one make say she's leaving the NDC to join the NPP or say there is nothing, absolutely nothing, and I'm na is going to change the decision now one make say okako joining the new patriotic party or say or yawa or komuno and your yaw ketwa. Imagine say we wenim was social media now there mama a political party. That's our political party neighbor power. Now among kai won posa where exist. Nipa oma fan ho tan enam ejuma ba be ye. Amount for my threatening when the DM one communion na penny bibia ye no. All these people would see her and laugh at her. Because after all the sacrifices that she made, you know, she's been neglected by her own political party. Then a idea was a 20 year. Now, this thing same goes to the new patriotic party. Because even as of today, we are in a position now. Some people call me sometimes and be like, promise, what are your people doing? They are still behaving as if they are still in government. Because the things that they were doing in government, you know, they are still doing it in opposition. The things that they were doing in government, you know, they are still doing it in opposition. And let me tell you the honest truth. These are some of the things that the MPP did. I'm a party see party mind the more position. And you know the fun fact about all these stuffs. The MPP, even in opposition, still behaving as if they are still in power because this thing, no, they are still doing it. Let's say, for example, the MPP has a lot of social media bloggers. Some of them are on both Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Example like me, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. So the 5 most powerful and popular apps in this country, you know, and the world, you know, and have the numbers everywhere. Have the numbers on Facebook, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube. I also have the numbers there. My own platform, I'm almost at the monetization level, and I also have this platform that's called Ghana and TV. I also worked for. You understand? So if I need to sell your message, I can sell it across all the social media handles or the social media pages that we know. Someone like Political Movies or numbers on Facebook, on TikTok, on Twitter. Someone like MC Ishmael, the same thing. Someone like Voice of Insawem, he has a number on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, right? Someone like Fancy Comedy. Someone like Kisu, you know, all these people. Voice of NPP, you know, there's a lot of people, they all have the numbers. I'm betting their years, man. But do you know what the MPP is doing? Could you imagine the MPP will be organizing a program or a press conference and they will invite the neutral media house, not the media houses, neutral bloggers, those 1957, you know, those people. They will invite those people rather to come and cover the press conference or the program that they are doing. But when there is a problem, now they run to their party bloggers, say, come and defend. Who in his right sense will come and defend you? Because when you needed someone to cover your program for you, you run to the neutral bloggers to come and cover it for you. So when there's a problem, you just run to those same people to come and do it for you. It's very simple. Because you don't expect me to come and defend you. Whilst when your program almost Canadian, you run to the neutral bloggers to come and cover your program for you. If it's about the numbers, you all have the numbers. I have almost 150,000 followers on TikTok, almost 30,000 followers too on Facebook. On YouTube, I read the Ghana and TV. They have almost 40,000 subscribers. I have my own page. On Twitter, I have numbers there. Instagram too. So Why should you prioritize a neutral blogger? And when you have issue and no ube here obi to defend you there, you come to your party bloggers. What do you take them for? The same that is happening in the NDC is the same thing that is happening in the NPP. So if you're NPP here, don't go and laugh at this girl, because it's already happening in your political party. Even though you guys are in opposition, they are still behaving that way. They are still behaving that way. Guys, it didn't come up you.